Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these website scraping tools called Helium Scraper. So let's dive into it. Helium Scraper is a powerful desktop web scraping tools designed for users who want to extract data from websites without writing code. It uses a visual point and click systems that make it easy to scrape product listing, business directories, search result, and other structured data. Helium Scraper supports dynamic website, runs multiple browser instances for faster scraping, and also lets you export data in format like CSV, Excel, and JSON. One big advantage is that one-time payment model, which makes it appealing for users who want full control without monthly subscription. So that said, Helium Scraper is a window only and run locally, so it lacks the cloud automation and scalability found in newer SaaS scrapers. Also, advanced scraping tasks can also take some time to master. So in my opinion, I actually think Helium Scraper is a great choice for beginners and small teams who want a reliable, no subscription web scraper with strong features, but it may not be ideal for large scales or cloud-based scraping needs. And that's it. Hope you find the video up for a video. Turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.